My name's Andrea Spies. I'm 28 years old. I've been showing horses at the Canfield Fair since I was 9. I started out in 4-H, and then I started showing draft horses. And this year I'm actually showing a pony for a friend of mine. He belongs to Amanda Truitt, and his name is Red. He just got second place in his in-hand class, so we're getting ready to go back in for the Grandin Reserve Championship.
Cody Vaughn, 15, from North Jackson. This is my horse Clyde. Entered a harder class with him, took first place. And his partner's name is Bonnie, like from Bonnie and Clyde. Like, yeah. I have to go back in a little bit for Grand Champion Reserve with all the mares.
Hi, I'm Jody Roof, and this is Max. He's a Shire, and we're here this year to show in the draft ring. Max is going to be showing on Saturday. He's going to be in the riding classes, the walk trot and the walk trot canter. He's not pulling a cart yet because he doesn't do that just yet, but that's what we're doing here. We're having fun. It's my first fair. Max, he's been here before, but it's my first time, so we are having the time of our lives.
My name is Don Campbell. I showed dairy cattle here since I was 9 years old and went out of the dairy business 10 years ago, and now I show draft horses. We show a 6-horse hitch of dapple gray Perchins. This is what we call a wheel horse. That's the team, that's the wagon we use right there. But we use a wheel team, then a swing team, then a lead team. This is a wheel horse, and we've been showing these draft horses for about 10 years now. And we just come back from the Indiana State Fair, Ohio State Fair, and now we're here. Saturday at 10 in the morning, we'll be showing in the East Ring. We start with cart classes and go through 6-horse hitch. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the 6-horse hitch will be in performance. There's probably only 2 of us going to be in competition, Empty Pockets Farm and I'm the Silver Dollar Perchin Farm. I live out here between Ellsworth and North Jackson, and been showing here since I was 9 years old.